Some cars are equipped with a car recorder. There are metal clips inside the shield. Once removed, it's definitely not as good as the original one. Today's video, taking you through the installation process of the column shield. Before installation, you will need to scan the parts into the system, one for each vehicle. If they've been replaced in the future, they'll be available from the manufacturer. Firstly, connect the A-pillar speaker plugs. Then, press the pins in and tap them in tightly. Finally, you need to scrape the door opening strip so that it wraps around the guard. Noise inside the car is hard to deal with. Dealers and garages have a hard time dealing with it. So, if you do nothing, don't try to remove the guard.